All right, everybody. We just finished up at the park, did some shopping to get some needed supplies, and now Cam and I are headed out to our camping spot on the Olympic National Forest. All right, so it seems my GPS took me to a different starting point than last time. So here's the sticky situation I'm in. I'm not gonna be making it up this. All right, so through careful maneuvering, you can see the mess of tracks, but I was able to turn around. All right, so that way was a bust. So we keep hitting these points where the snow isn't particularly deep, but the problem is that it's like slush and your tires can't grab traction. So I was somehow able to finagle my way through the mountain roads and find the campground I was looking for. I'm gonna turn my truck around and get things set up, and then I will give you a tour. I didn't capture it on this camera, but there was a little raccoon over here. All right, so let me give you a little tour of our home for the night. So we got our tent set up. It's not complete yet. I have a tarp set up because it's supposed to rain in the morning, so I want a dry spot to kind of come out to. We're probably gonna set up our little camp cook area here. I know there's a fire pit there, but I'm gonna use my solo stove tonight. Here's the best part. We are right next to a nice babbling brook. You know, this side might not be the prettiest of views. But this side with the running river is perfect. Everything is put away for the night. I have my, it's a Yeti cooler that's bear proof, but I still put it at a distance just to be safe. We saw that raccoon earlier, so I don't want any raccoons trying to crawl into my tent, as cuddly as they may look. Well, all right, the sun is starting to set, and I decided that Cam and I were going to hang out in the tent for the rest of the night until we fall asleep. I'm gonna switch into some pajamas, I'm gonna get out my book, and I'm gonna read. All right, well, it's 6:40 a.m. We made it through the night. It was pretty cold as soon as the sun set, but it was manageable. I didn't have the best night's sleep, but overall, not too terrible. Now that the sun is starting to come out and the sky is lightening, Cam and I are going to take a bathroom break and start packing up to head home.